everyone, today I'm going to show you the Quick Quote feature in the iVendi platform. A quick and easy way to get a quote in the showroom or remotely. The Quick Quote feature is located in the top right of the iVendi platform. This is visible on every page, so you can easily jump into this feature and produce a quote. So let's get started. If you know the vehicle's registration number, enter this in the yellow box and click the green Quick Quote button. If you don't know the vehicle registration, just click the green Quick Quote button. You will be able to fill in the vehicle details on the next page. The Quick Quote feature can also be used for new vehicles by clicking the Quote a New Vehicle link here. Confirm the details are correct, fill in the mileage, and click Next. Start by selecting whether the quote is for a private customer or business customer, and enter the vehicle price. If the vehicle you are quoting for is VAT qualifying, select the VAT qualifying option beneath the vehicle price field. Enter the vehicle price, excluding VAT in the basic price field, and the quote will automatically update to include VAT. You can also add VAT to the deposit by ticking the box beneath the VAT amount field. Now we are going to build the finance proposal for the customer, as you typically would, by entering any value-added products, deposit, annual mileage, and term. You can personalize the customer's deposit by including any part exchange or settlement figures that are part of the proposal, alongside the cash deposit, which will automatically update the total deposit figure. Now click Generate Quotes. This will generate quotes from your panel of lenders. From here, you can compare products using the price position feature, generate additional quotes, complete a finance check, or edit any details of the quote. You can also create a customer record and save the quote, or proceed to complete a finance application. So there you go, that's Quick Quote, a quick and simple way to quote for your customer in the showroom or remotely. Thanks for taking the time to watch this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you need any further support, please contact us on support@ivendi.com.